So let me show you how to find your lost or misplaced AirPods Pro 3s. So all you have to do is go to Find My app on your iPhone. So just go and find this app, Find My. Now in the Find My app, you can see all your Apple devices. So look for your AirPods Pro 3s from here. And then now you can play a sound, or you can even get directions to where the AirPods are. So if you play a sound, the case will make that loud sound, and that's going to help you find them. Also, you can ask for directions, and your iPhone should be able to guide you to exactly where the AirPods are. Okay, so also, if you need them to make a sound, you can do that from there. You can also find the individual earbuds. So for instance, if one of the earbuds is out of the case, for instance, you can actually go and find a single earbud. So you can see this right earbud, and you can see here it says R, which means it can detect the right earbud on its own. So you can tap on that, and then once you tap on it, or you go to the AirPods Pro 3s, you can see the case plus the left bud are together, and the right earbud is out of the case. So you can tap on that and then play a sound on the earbud itself. So it's making a sound. It's not the most impressively loud sound, but that's the sound it makes. So you should be able to find it. So that is basically how to find your lost or misplaced earbuds on the AirPods Pro 3s. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.